wasn't our first romance. That happened quite just by chance. He used the classic line, my wife don't understand me alright. Well, it was doomed from the start. He was a rogue with a heart. He took her out for a pasty. Then things got really nasty with love bites, the telltale signs. Love bites, that he'd been out all night. Love bites, don't it make you feel blue? He's gone and made a fool out of you. Love bites, what a telltale sign. Love bites, that he'd been out all night. Love bites, don't it make you feel blue? He's gone and made a fool out of you. He said it's not what it seems. I don't want to ruin our dreams. When Samantha grows up, we run away and buy our part. She was a retiring type, but she couldn't put up with his tribe. And so she phoned his wife and started a whole new life with our love bites. What a telltale sign. Love bites, that he'd been out all night. Love bites, don't it make you feel blue? 'Cause he's gone and made a fool out of you. Love bites, what a telltale sign. Love bites, that he'd been out all night. Love bites, don't it make you feel blue? 'Cause he's gone and made a fool out of you. Miss Delrose, this is your life. Your time to strike out for all of womankind. Love bites, telltale signs. Love bites, that he'd been out all night. Love bites, don't it make you feel blue? He's gone and made a fool out of you. Love bites, what a telltale sign.